Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I want to show you how add event to your calendar on your POCO X7 Pro. We start off opening our settings application, not settings, our calendar application. In it we must tap on day when we want to add our event, maybe 23, and there this plus icon and event. First tab at title of your event. In this part we can access this event to group about what is it, about our calendar, events, family or something like that. There we can turn on, turn off, it will be all day event. Or we can choose when our event starts and finish in which time. Repeat of that if we need it. There we can add this event to people calendar. We can also make video conference when event starts. We can add location of our event and notification to that, maybe 1 day before, 20 minutes before, and something like that. We can change color about our notification to this event, add description and attachment. After you set all you need, press save, and we have it. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.